Our Spanish class at Next Education is being taught by an instructor I've worked with for years. She's going to be Skyping in from the Pittsburgh area, which is going to be, I think, kind of fun. She teaches by Skype regularly, so this is a familiar thing for her, although a bit new to me. She's tutored my own children, and I've always loved her flexibility and creativity. I approached her about whether she could teach Spanish 1 and Spanish 2 at the same time, in the same class block, because not many people could do that, but I knew from her work that she could. She was instantly thinking of ideas of how to do this and says that absolutely she can do that. So Spanish 1 and Spanish 2 will both be offered at Next Education for the 2017-2018 school year, and they'll be occurring in the same classroom, so those students will be able to benefit from classroom interaction. Spanish 1 and Spanish 2 will both be independent courses that will use some of the same material, but largely will have different homework. As a matter of fact, Senora Kruk, who is our instructor, has assured me that she actually individually tailors the coursework to each student. Students will have different strengths and weaknesses from their prior Spanish work, and she assured me that she loves to get to know exactly what each student is able to do and give them work to get them up to speed on doing what they're not yet able to do. And she also has told me that I know for years she's been doing missions work. Her kind of her motivation for teaching Spanish, aside from pure love of the language, is also that she loves to do missions work. And so she is hoping that at some point, maybe this year, maybe next year, we'll be able to do a Next Education trip within the borders of the United States to a Spanish-speaking community where students could do community service and bless some people, and at the same time practice their Spanish-speaking skills along with their teacher and fellow students.